guys, I'm Steff, and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today I am so excited to share with you my Beige Cosmetics haul that I did last week. Guys, it had been a hot minute since I had ordered from Beige Cosmetics, and this is one of my favorite affordable brands of makeup. You can find Beige Cosmetics at Ulta, but I mainly buy my products straight from the Beige Cosmetics website. I find that they offer more discounts on the Beige Cosmetics site versus the Ulta website, and they also have the full selection, of course, on their website. So I want to say I've been using Beige Cosmetics for the last 5 years, and guys, I haven't met a product that I don't really love. There are some holy grail items in my collection that are from Beige Cosmetics, one of them being their eyeliner. I love their eyelashes. Whenever I do wear eyelashes, I enjoy wearing Beige Cosmetics eyelashes. Their highlighters, guys, Beige Cosmetics makes some of the most intense, most blinding highlighters at a fantastic price. So first, let me show you the things that I got. Now, I'm not going to be able to use every single thing that I purchased, but those will be included in some upcoming YouTube videos and Instagram videos. So if you're not following on Instagram, I encourage you to do so. It is at Steff's Beauty Stash. So definitely check that out. So today, let me show you guys, and I'm going to be showing you swatch photos that I did of these in sunlight. And you know how I do my little outdoor pictures. I love to take product pictures and swatch photos outside, especially when there's a lot of sunlight. To me, I just find that sunlight is the best lighting. It's the most true lighting because it's natural lighting, and you really get the full effect of what the product is going to look like. So that's why I do a lot of outdoor swatch photos. That way you can see what they're going to look like when you head outside. So first thing in this box full of Beige Cosmetics, this is a repeat purchase for me. This is the Beige Cosmetics liquid foundation. This is the Naturally Flawless liquid foundation. I would say that this provides a good medium to buildable full coverage. The shade I picked up in this is 208 medium beige, and I am wearing it right now. I think it's a pretty good shade match. I went up about a shade or two because what I had before was just a little too light for me, and I'm really liking the shade a lot better. This foundation retails for $9.50, and there are 24 shades listed on the Beige Cosmetics website. This foundation also contains hyaluronic acid, which is going to help lock in our skin's moisture. It also says that it's going to provide a natural satin finish. The next item I picked up is this gorgeous brush set. This is the Midnight Festival brush set. This is 10 pieces. Right now, it's on sale on the Beige Cosmetics website for $18.75. Guys, Beige Cosmetics makes some of my favorite makeup brushes. I think I use their brushes just about every single day. They are so soft, guys. They're so well made, and for the price, guys, you just can't go wrong. So this brush set includes 5 brushes that can be used for the face, although this one I'm pretty sure you can use on the eyes as well. I use this today for my nose contour, and I use this today for what else did I use? Oh, for highlighter, and this one is the number 5 brush. I'll be showing you guys a closer look because I am using all of the brushes to get the look that you see right here. And then you do have 5 brushes for the eyes. What I like about these brushes, if you look at these 2 brushes in particular, let me pull these out. This is the number 10 and the number 8 brush. You'll see that it has like little spikes at the tip. It's kind of more of like a stippling brush, meaning it's going to deposit a more diffused wash of color. It's really going to help you get that nice blend to your shadows. So I'm really glad that they included these brushes in this collection because I don't think I have little eye brushes like this. So this is definitely a bonus for me because some of these I just didn't have. And I love the container. It's cute. It's pink. Who doesn't love pink? Now, the next few items are all gonna be palettes. And the first palette that I have here is the Belgian Waffle palette. This is a contour, bronze, and highlight palette. You do get 6 shades in here. And of course, at the top, you have the bronzing contouring shades, and at the bottom, you have the beautiful shimmer highlighting shades. This Belgian Waffle palette is on sale on the Beige Cosmetics website for $14.40. The next palette that I picked up is the Bellini blush palette, and in here you do get 6 gorgeous blushes, beautiful tones of peachy pinks. Amazing, guys. This palette retails for also $14.40. It's on sale right now. The regular price on this is $18. So the next 3 palettes I'm going to show you are going to be eyeshadow palettes, and the one I'm wearing today, the one we're going to create the look with today, is the Mimosa eyeshadow palette. In here you do get 16 beautiful matte and shimmer shades to play with. This palette is so pretty, just summer vibes, guys, all day long. This palette is also on sale for $14.40. The next palette I have to show you guys is the Avocado Toast palette. Look at those shades. I thought this was such a gorgeous color story. Again, you have a nice mixture of matte and shimmer shades, and this palette is also on sale for $14.40. I haven't dipped into this yet. All I've done is swatch it, but I can't wait to create a look for you guys. I'm probably going to be doing this for my Instagram account, so definitely stay tuned for that. The next palette that I picked up is part of the festival collection, and this is the collection that's usually released around April, whenever Coachella starts. Of course, we didn't have Coachella this year, but I've been picking them up every year that they've been released. So this is going to be my 3rd festival palette, I believe. This is called the Midnight Festival. In here, you are going to get 20 shadows and pressed glitters. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. If you love color, if you love glitter, this is where it's at right here, guys. If you can believe, this is on sale for $15. 20 gorgeous shades, guys. I have had so much luck with the other festival palettes that BH Cosmetics has released. I love them. They're crazy pigmented. They blend out so well. I know this is going to be a winner, and I'm definitely going to be creating a look for you guys really soon here on my channel using this palette. So definitely stay tuned. $15, guys. You can't go wrong. And guys, by the way, these all come with mirrors on them. The next item I picked up are these eyelashes that I'm wearing, and these are the BH Cosmetics M201 eyelashes. I love wearing BH Cosmetics eyelashes just because they're so easy to apply. They look really natural, well, depending on what style you get, but they look really natural, they wear really well, and they last for use after use after use. So my other pair had really taken a beating back in the day when I would wear eyelashes more, so I wanted to pick up a new pair, and so far I am really loving the way they look. this is the completed look using almost a full face of BH Cosmetics, and definitely things that I got from my BH Cosmetics haul last week. What do you guys think of the look? I went ahead and added a little bit of the Wet n Wild High Shine lipstick, and this one is in the shade Bellini Overflow, so it matches perfectly with one of the Bellini palettes that I used today. In my waterline, I also added a little bit of this NYX eyeliner. This is the Off Tropic Pro Liner, and this one is in the shade Happy Hour. That's another shade that was in here, so everything coordinates. I'm really happy with the performance of all the products. The bronzing palette, the cheek palette, the eyeshadow palette. As I expected, I have just been a fan of BH Cosmetics for so long, guys, and it had been a while since I had purchased anything from BH Cosmetics, like any of their new stuff. So I definitely wanted to do this haul video for you guys, and just kind of show you, because I don't know if I've ever really showcased any BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes on my channel before, and I do love them. I love to collect them. So you're going to be seeing more BH in the future, because I didn't get to use the other two eyeshadow palettes that I have, and I'm definitely going to be creating looks on my Instagram account. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, please, I encourage you to do so. I am very active over on Instagram, and my screen name is still at Steff's Beauty Stash, and you can see the videos. I post quick little tutorials on there. Sometimes I do IGTVs, I do beauty news, all of that good stuff. The 24/7 makeup guides, because you know I'm obsessed. So what did you guys think of the products that I showed you guys? Are you going to be picking some of them up? Are you going to pass? Maybe you already have them. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your thoughts on BH Cosmetics. If it's a brand you've tried before and love, or if you've tried it and you don't like it, leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You guys have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.